Hello, welcome to my channel Luz Divina. Today's video is regarding shooting stars, more specifically in the context of the flat Earth. We're going to use one of my pictures as an example of that. I'll be sharing that image with you also online on my old Flickr page. You can actually download this image, although it's going to be in a lower res, but you'll have the same idea. So let's start by actually seeing the full picture right here. This is a very clear sky, a shooting star right here, and also this is the camera settings configuration. It was taken using a Nikon D850, a 6.3 aperture, a 30-second exposure at 3200 ISO, and using a 24mm lens. The thing here, people, that I want you to pay attention to is the spearhead type image that you'll see when photographing shooting stars. This spearhead right here is always pointing down. If we, in fact, were living on a planet, a globe, we would see that spear facing all sorts of directions. They will be rising up from the horizon. They will be traveling sideways, horizontally even. But we don't see that. We see them every time they're pointing down. Also, you can see that on every crater. They're traveling, on a straight path. They're falling down. Here in Brazil, we call them estrelas cadentes, which is close to a falling star, because they're always falling down. We never see them rising up or traveling in a different direction, approaching our skies. They're always falling down, basically. And I'm going to show you that, and to demonstrate that, I'm going to edit this image in a very rough and simple way, but so you can understand the idea behind it. This is me asking questions and sharing that with you. So I'm going to create a mask around this shooting star. I'm going to copy that. Now I'll just rotate, and I'm going to place it like this, traveling on our horizon like this. Let me make it look a little bit better. Here. We never see this. We never see a shooting star traveling straight across our skies. That should be something also very common, specifically if we were indeed living on a planet, but that's not the case, because we're not. The Earth is flat, and shooting stars are always traveling, falling down on a very downward direction. We never see them rising up. So the same idea I can do like this. You will never see them like so. Okay? Like this, close to the horizon and rising up or following a curvature. That's impossible to be photographed because we don't live on a planet. Basically, that's my video today. It's very simple for you to understand, and I hope that you can see that we have so many evidences around us that we don't live on a planet. The Earth is still, it's stationary. That's a fact. And there's no, it should be pretty obvious by now that we have been lied to. And this is me sharing with you one photography that I took, one photo, hoping that you will please pay attention to this subject and realize the lies that we have been fed to for our entire lives. And as a personal note, a very important one, please pay attention to Jesus Christ, His teachings, and ask Him to live inside your own heart. You are living temples, living temples of God, and if you ask Christ's energy to live within you, He will do so, and you will feel transformed, and will be able to see this, and to also awake yourself from the deep sleep we are currently in. Thank you very much.